Good morning, everybody. The Montana Guy bringing another video. Today we're going to talk about Montana native plants and early people by Jeff Hart. So if this is something that you're interested in knowing more about, go ahead and stay tuned. That was my hairdo. So anyways, the Montana Guy. Again, we're talking about Montana native plants and early peoples by Jeff Hart. It has 60 plants and shrubs and trees that are in this 144-page book. And if you're like me, you kind of want to know what's in a book if you decide to buy it from online sources. And so what I'll do is I'll put in the description down below the name of each plant that's talked about in here. That way, if it's something that you're looking through and you see that it has something about it, you know, it might help you decide whether you want to pick it up or not. But again, it's 60 plants, 144 pages long. Just like the other video that I created before about Northwest Foraging, this one does have drawings. The only difference is that on the other one, it had it like on a scale of the book of how actually big that tree, that plant was. This one does not. It's just a picture. And I'll also put the link in that description down below if you want to check it out after this video. It also, not only does it talk about the name of it, like say common cattail, it also has the Greek or Latin name for them too, if that's something you're interested in knowing more about. And so each plant, it starts out with what the Native Americans used it for. What, you know, for like a poultice, or if they just ground the roots up or whatever they did for that plant. It talks about what tribe used them and how they used them, and then at the end of that, it talks about the description, habitat, and range. And also, on a few of them, there's also another thing called the other common names. So if there's another name for it, they'll give you that information in this book. For instance, spring beauty, another common name is Indian potato. So if this is something you're interested in, I'll leave the link down in the description down below for how you can get this on Amazon. It is an affiliate link. It does help the channel out so I can do more videos. But again, the people that would benefit from this the most is if you obviously live in Montana, not just for the historical aspect of it, or what the tribes used them for. Sorry. But not just what the tribes used them for, but also if you want to know more about herbs and plants that are used in Montana, this is definitely a great book to start out with. So again, thank you all for watching. I do appreciate it. If you've picked this book, or if you've picked up this book already, I'd love to know in the comments down below what you think of this book. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more videos like this of book reviews, or not really reviews, but informational videos, camping, or different edible and medicinal plants in Montana, definitely consider subscribing. And with that all said, again, thank you all for watching. Stay safe, enjoy the woods.